All right. So this is ISI 2013, I think, question 7. A positive investment multiplier does not exist. So again, the question has to be read slowly. What is the question asking us? A positive investment multiplier. So this we have to find out about investment multiplier. What is the meaning of investment multiplier? It means dy by di. That is the meaning of a positive investment multiplier. Does not exist in an open economy simple Keynesian model when the entire amount of investment goods is supplied from imports. Examine the validity of the statement. So we are saying that if, let's say, you have an open economy SKM, so y should be equal to c bar plus small cy plus I bar plus g bar plus x bar minus, let's say, m and my. Okay, something like that. Usually, there would be a positive investment multiplier. And if, let's say, this is the kind of equation, then in this kind of an equation, the multiplier dy by di will come as 1 by 1 minus c plus m. Okay, that would be the usual multiplier. Now they are saying that if the entire change in investment goods is being supplied through imports, then do we have a positive investment multiplier? Now, so remember when we did total differential, right? So in this case, the total differential, if you put the entire investment goods as dm, then change in y is going to be equal to c dy plus di minus dm minus m dy, and then di and dm will get cancelled. So this would not make any sense. Okay, this would be dy will just be 0. So that means di and dm are equal here. So then, which means that if investment is increasing, but it is not leading to any increase in production. What is GDP? GDP measures production. What was the production in a particular year? But there is no increment in production, because if you're increasing investment, you're just increasing imports. So there is no increase in production. So there's no increase in GDP. So if there's no increase in GDP, then there is no multiplier effect. Okay, so there's nothing. So this statement is true, and this is the proof of that statement.